The third factor, that is the pressure and wind system. The pressure and wind system of any area depend on the latitude and altitude of the place. Thus, it influences the temperature and rainfall pattern. So, this is the another important factor. This we will discuss in detail when we will talk about factors affecting India's climate. Now, I am moving on the next factor, that is distance from the sea. So distance from the sea, as the distance from the sea increases, its moderating influence decreases and the people experience extreme weather conditions. This condition is known as continentally condition, or this type of climate is known as continental climate, which means very hot during summer and very cold during winters. For example, the people those who are distance from the sea is again very important factor. For example, we people are living in Ambala. Ambala is far away from coastal area. So here we experience extreme hot during summer season. Sometimes the temperature increases up to 40 or 48 or 50 around. And during winter sometimes temperature goes very down. So extreme winter or cold we experiences. The same with Delhi, the same with Lucknow, the same with Jaipur, same with Shimla. The areas which are located far away from the seas. So this is the such type of climatic conditions are known as continental climate or extreme climate. Next factor is ocean currents. Ocean currents, this is another factor that affect the climate. Ocean currents along with onshore winds. Onshore beta, the winds have two direction. The movement of two. The winds move into two direction. One movement is known as onshore winds. Onshore winds means when the wind blow from sea to land. जब वो sea से land की तरफ move करती है, that direction, blow of wind direction is known as onshore, and another is known as offshore. Offshore means when the wind blow from land to sea. जब वो land से sea की तरफ move करती है, such direction of the wind is known as offshore winds. So here how ocean currents, so what does do it? Ocean currents along with onshore winds affect the climate of the coastal areas. For example, any coastal area with warm or cold currents flowing past it will be warmed or cooled if the winds are on shore. किसी भी कोस्टल एरिया के पास से गुजरने वाला कोई भी आपका ओशन करंट, बेटा ओशन करंट एक्चुअली दिस इज़ अ डायरेक्शन ऑफ, दिस इज़ द मूवमेंट ऑफ ओशन वाटर इनटू अ पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन. It can be clockwise as well as anti-clockwise, and there are the two types of currents, that is warm currents, ocean currents, and cold ocean currents. So warm ocean currents, if the ocean current passing through the coast is warm, so definitely it will heat up the coastal areas. And if the current passing through any coast, so definitely it will cool up the areas, so it will affect the climate accordingly. This I'll show you in the next figure. The next one is relief. Relief is also the another factor. Relief too plays a major role in determining the climate of a place. High mountains, how the relief play important role? High mountains act as a barrier for cold or hot winds. If I'll talk about the Himalayan mountain, so Himalayan mountain is located towards the north and northwestern direction of the country, and it act like a barrier, and it protect our country from cold, extreme cold or chilled winds coming from the Central Asia. They may also cause precipitation if they are high enough. Yes, they become a cause of precipitation if they are high enough, because the areas which receives the which face the windward side, those areas receives high rainfall and lie in the path of rain bearing winds. The leeward side of mountains remains relatively dry. Yes, the mountains slopes basically the slopes which lying towards the path of the rain bearing winds or monsoon winds, these areas receives heavy rainfall and these are known as windward side of rain. And as the winds cross the mountain and reaches on the another slope, there it gets dry, and those areas receives less amount of rain as compared to windward, and another side of rain area of the mountain is known as leeward side or rain shadow area. So relief is also the important factor which affect the climate of a particular place. Now I'll show all these things in a figure or map. Beta, here in this figure you can see this is a distance from the sea. In this map you can see coastal areas have equable climate, like Mumbai, like Chennai, like Kolkata. These are the coastal areas or the coastal cities, and these are having the equable climate, whereas